So we've just sort of got back from Wales. We've had a full day upstairs now Monday. The vlog for the past few days has been very, very disjointed. I didn't vlog Friday really. Saturday we vlogged going to the Welsh Mountain Zoo. That was really, really good fun. We saw some really cool animals. Really, really wet and windy day. Then Sunday, what did we do on Sunday? Sunday we went on some zip wires, some zip lines. I couldn't actually vlog them because obviously we weren't allowed to take valuables on the zip wire, and I didn't take my GoPro chest attachment thing. It was very, very windy. It's hard to describe how bad it was, but it just wasn't practical for recording. So I didn't record any of the zip wire and went for a little walk in the afternoon. But like I said, I've not vlogged much because I've just been enjoying my time in Wales and being very sort of disjointed. But I'm literally just going to shove everything together. One vlog, and you guys will just see it. I think I'm going to put this clip at the start of this vlog, so you sort of know what's going on. It'll just be loads of random clips. So yeah, this is the vlog from Wales. Hope you enjoy it. Good morning. We're in Wales, the first full day. First little trip off out onto is some sort of mountain zoo with some animal goals. Animal goals. We're in convoy, 3 cars. Hashtag sheep. We're at the zoo. We're paying. It's quite good. Photos? Shall we get some photos?
How would you got a wet bum?
From the slider. I regretted it as soon as we got.
So at the zoo, we've seen tiger to start with. Feels a bit like Edinburgh Zoo with the wind and the rain and the cold, but we're manning it.
Actually, it's a lot warm.
But actually, it's a lot warm. It does feel a little bit warm.
Remarkably strong woman.
Welsh Mountain Zoo in Wales.
And then by the end of it,
We've not seen many animals yet. It's windy.
running down the field.
Get a selfie. Come back.
I wanted to peck it.
It is going to go for it.
Oh,
In a minute.
Peck it, please peck it.
This is moving so much.
Who's playing?
Oh,
he's lost it! It feels like he punched himself then. Oh shit.
It's Miss May.
Cute.
What's he doing?
He's gonna jump out.
Cars. So big.
That's huge.
Yeah, I would mess with that, would you? Yeah. Even if it is only small. It's like, how do I get up here?
How do you get from what?
Oh, that was huge. It's got fins. It's probably his daddy. I think he took it outside. Well, normally then.
Pretty amazing snow leopards. Why is it flashing blue?
Wi-Fi.
Live feed, you see that?
Do you get
You do get go to the zoos pretty often, so you probably would use it. You can't sit there and TGI Fridays.
They're cool, them ones. Yeah. It's cool.
That's it.
You do just look like that guy on the advert. It's rather cold. There's some good animals there.
The zoo was better than what I thought it would be when we first went in, actually. Yeah.
That's a heron. That's Manamass Waterfall.
What?
In Wales, aren't we? Manamass Waterfall. Not waterfall.
I can't
stream
see a waterfall.
No, like stream of everything.
This is BBC.
Said walk on the Sunday afternoon. After went zip lining this morning. Couldn't record that because it was really, really windy. But on some sort of bridge now. Oh. In Llanarist, in the east of Wales. Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Lovely bridge!
Whoa! It's really wobbly. Yeah, not vlogged anything today. Yesterday we ended when we got back from the Welsh mountains. This is so cool. Do you know it just snaps and we all fall in? Hashtag sheep again. Hashtag sheep. It's a stereotype that Wales is full of sheep. It actually is full of sheep.
Are you gonna get loads of Welsh people watching? I feel like.
I have some Welsh viewers, I'm sure they don't mind. I'm not taking endemic, I'm just slightly stereotyping Wales. But it's true. Flooding in Wales? You go, Puzzle. I don't know what that is. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, stay positive. Wales vlog. Nothing else very much to say. I had a really good time. Think it's everyone okay. No doubt some people will watch this. I'll see you in the next vlog. See you later.